You're watching this video right now because you're interested in some sort of coaching. You might be interested in helping people and serving the world, helping coach people to transform their lives in manifestation and mindset, personal development. You also probably want to create an outstanding income for yourself, creating mental, time, and money freedom for yourself and your family, at the same time while living out a very fulfilling life, feeling very happy with the work that you do on a daily basis, feeling on purpose and feeling full of meaning in your life. And that's what manifestation coaching can do for you and our certification. Now for me, at one time in my life, I was in a 9-to-5 full-time job. It was actually like a 9 to 8 p.m. full-time job. It was a lot of hours doing things that I did not like to do, stressing over a lot of hard work and a lot of stuff on a daily basis that I didn't want to be in, right? The not great environments that you find a lot of corporate jobs in, right? I was an engineer and I thought I'd be doing really outstanding creative work, and I wasn't at all. And I was feeling very unfulfilled with my life and unfulfilled with my career. And I finally took a leap of faith to becoming an entrepreneur. And during that time period, it was very scary. At the same time, very exciting because it held a lot of possibility of newness in my life. Now, anybody that's leapt into an entrepreneurial role, there's so many ups and downs. It's almost ridiculous sometimes, the courage that you have to jump full time into being an entrepreneur. I didn't know what my life purpose was, and I was trying to jump from one endeavor to another endeavor, trying different businesses, different areas of launching into business and bringing in that income for myself, trying to get clients, trying to do these things, and it seemed like nothing was working until I landed upon a certification. Basically a certification that helped train me on how to coach people, that skill of how to help people, how to speak to people, how to get on camera, all that good stuff. At the same time, how to market the self and how to bring something into the world. And I did that for many years, and that changed my life so dramatically. I felt more on purpose every day. I felt liberated with life. Going from really being down in the dumps and frustrated with life and not knowing my life direction, to ultimately feeling satisfied every day with my career, bringing in the money I wanted to. I remember in 60 days with starting this new certification, I leapt my income from literally about $500 or so per month all the way to $10,000 a month consistently within 60 days. Now, that wasn't always 10,000 after that. Sometimes it got to 8,000, sometimes even 6,500, but then sometimes it leapt up to 12,000. So on average, I was reaching $10,000 a month after just 60 days of going out there and helping people. And the crazy part about it is you don't need to have earned $1 million to coach somebody. You don't need to have gotten your dream home and dream car and teaching people on that. There's 3 different things that really goes on in this industry. There's consulting, mentoring, and coaching. Mentoring means you've been there, done that. You could teach the material. You do have the money that people are looking to get, and you're teaching them how to do it, firsthand experience, right? A consultant is basically somebody who has a skill set, goes into a business, goes into a corporation, and uses that skill set to increase that company's profits. That consultant has nowhere near the results that corporation does, right? That corporation might be $1 billion company. That consultant doesn't have to have $1 billion company. They just have to have a particular set of skills to go into the company and help that company or corporation out. Coaching is very different from all 3 of them. Coaching basically is helping people be encouraged, support them on elevating themselves, and bringing them through a proven system or process that allows somebody to get results. And that's what we have here in our certification. So for you, getting involved with our Certified Manifestation Coach certification could be your game changer in your life. What this certification is all about is we have built into 3 pillars. First pillar is a 12-week certification. Basically, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know on how to help people in manifestation, personal development, and raising their level of consciousness. And you can apply that to helping your clients earn a lot more money. You can apply that to helping your clients attract a person into their life, helping your clients increase their health and vitality or increase their business. This course and the certification helps for any of those areas, and you can apply it to that. So I not only help you increase your skills and everything in our certification, but I also give you the licensing rights to use our Manifestation Accelerator course. Literally, you can coach people through a proven curriculum. It's all done for you. You don't even have to create your own course. You don't have to create anything. Basically, go through a certification, increase your skill level. Let me help you out with that. Let me mentor you on that. Increase your skill enough, use our course, and bring in some clients. Easy enough, right? But we didn't stop there. The component 2 is I also help you with marketing. We have 12 weeks of training on marketing, how to set up your business from $0 to $20,000 a month, all of the things you'll ever need on how to set up a business, how to run a business, because quite frankly, a lot of things that are missing out of certifications or spiritual teachers is they really don't know how to run a business, right? They don't really know the principles of how to be a businesswoman or a businessman, right? I teach you all of that. I teach you how to get clients. And I also teach you how to get on calls with people that will help convert them into your clients, right? If they're a good fit for what you do. I have all of that for you as well. So you're getting certified using a proven curriculum. At the same time, I'm helping you actually market yourself and build a business, which is very crucial. We didn't stop there either. On a third pillar, you have me one-on-one time in our Slack channel every day, Monday through Friday, that allows you to get the guidance and support with myself and my team on a daily basis, and our group calls every single Monday to allow yourself to expand your consciousness and get really the deepest manifestation teachings and support and coaching that you could ever get in this world, all there for you. You get everything you would ever need to bring yourself from $0 to $20,000 a month in a coaching business in less than 12 months. Now, that timeline isn't for everybody. Some people are going to take a little bit longer. Some will take a little shorter time. It matters where your programming is around money, your programming around business, around sales, and ultimately, no matter what, it's inevitable you're going to be highly successful, but it's going to take you some effort to do so. Just by joining in, it's not going to be like, oh, you get $10,000 a month, right? You got to put in the work. I can't watch the videos for you. I can't create those skills for you. I can guide you, but it's ultimately up to you to actually do it, right? That's your share of the percentage there, okay? So we have this entire certification here, and you're going out there and, again, helping people transform their lives. You're helping yourself fulfill your purpose and your meaning for life and feeling a lot more fulfilled with your life in that direction and career path you go, while also creating an outstanding income for yourself. Is there are so many people on this planet that want to improve their lives, especially with the spiritual expansion that we are in. You know, 100 years ago, it might be a little different. 200 years ago, very different, right? But in today's age, a lot of people are waking up. They want help. They want to improve their lives. They want to empower themselves. And we need more teachers than ever on this planet helping people like that to raise to a higher level. If you're looking for more information on this, go ahead in the description below, and you're going to see a link there, and attend our next Certified Manifestation Coach event. Attend that event, join in right at that specific time, be punctual, be on time, and actually show up a little bit early. Bring some notes with you so you can really track all of your questions, any of the notes that you want to make sure you have noted in your mind. At the same time, be there at the event with full focus. Don't listen into the event while you're also trying to scroll through Facebook or trying to do a million other things with your business or while you're working or in your car. Make sure you sit down and give this the time of day that it needs. This could be the breaking point in your life. This could really change everything for you. Even if that sounds cliche, it's true, because one opportunity changed my life, and it can do the same for you, okay? Register for the event. The link again is right there in the description. Attend it, be there, stay focused on the event, and allow yourself to be intuitively guided if this is the right opportunity for you to expand yourself and jump into something and leap forward your life. Now, if you're attending the event and you're starting to get uncomfortable, you're starting to get excited and scared, that's the right path to go. That's the right direction. If you're not uncomfortable, you're staying in the same frequency. You're staying in the same feeling. By doing things that make you uncomfortable, that stretch you, you will now open up the world of possibility to actually change your life. If you stay comfortable, everything's going to be remaining about the same as it was before. You do something that's exciting, that scares you so much that it almost wants to make you throw up. I remember that as well when I invested that money into certification and everything else. I almost wanted to physically get sick, right? Because you're changing your paradigm so much. You're changing your programming. You're changing who you are in your life direction so much so it can make you a little weary inside. okay? If you have doubts or anything like that, realize that's your lower self. Rise to your higher self, the one that's intuition. You know, your heart will know as you jump into this, and you probably found this video on purpose at the right time, at the right place for you, okay? Attend the event, get the information, feel it out, okay? And allow yourself to accept the path of excitement and scariness, because that is the path of elevation. That is the path to your purpose. That is the path to your greatest life more than ever. I look forward to seeing you at the event. Make sure you get registered again before we take off the event offline for good. We have limited time access to the event overall. So again, get registered as soon as possible here. Don't delay, and allow yourself to be, again, very focused on the event, attending with your maximum 100% attention, and I look forward to seeing you there.